My girl Sam spends more time dating than scooping. It gets a bit fragrant in here sometimes.
Brad, my human, likes to live well. Look at his fancy fireplace that I use for parkour. He also has a robot vacuum cleaner that terrorizes me.
I am enjoying the good life with Karen and Robert, but I have one big complaint. They buy fancy $600 bottles of Cabernet Sauvignon wine and display it for all to see, but have me using an old cat box they keep down in the basement like a dirty little secret. It is uncivilized.
I have to stumble around in the dark to do my business. I look like her after a few drinks with the girls.
He still scoops litter, and I'm still walking over my business to do my business. I track it all over his hip apartment, and he walks on it with his fair trade cotton socks. I can't even! Hashtag illogical.
If they got a Leo's loo, we could all spend more time upstairs doing better things like giving me more love and treats.
Leo's loo detects when I visit and automatically cleans up when I leave.
He wouldn't have to get up to clean it for a week, and I wouldn't track dirty litter through the house.
It even displays my weight on an easy-to-read screen, which is good since we're all on a diet, and my doctor will love that it tracks each time I visit.
No more scooping for Sam, and I get the nightlight a cat like me deserves.
Plus, wouldn't it be nice if our friend could clean less?
Karen, Robert, get a Leo's loo. It costs less than a night out for you people.
Sam, until you do, I will continue to leave little surprises in Pete's shoe. He's not right for you.
Now please literally get your together and get the Leo's loo.
Leo's loo.
Constantly clean litter.
Without the scooping.
Traditional cat litter boxes are not a good choice to avoid odors and litter tracking, and are very inconvenient to use in daily busy life. Most automatic cat litter boxes are so expensive, so we created Igloo, an affordable modern cat litter box with fully automatic and fully enclosed design. Igloo initiates a 90-second cleaning cycle that funnels all wastes into a tightly sealed receptacle. All you have to do is to discard the waste bag once in a while. You will never have to scoop again. You can choose from 3 different working modes. For most convenience, you can use the fully automatic self-cleaning mode within an hour after the cat left. For individual use, you can control Igloo through the app. And if you don't want to get disturbed, you can use the quiet night mode. The soft silicone footstep can reduce litter tracking and spillage. With Igloo, you can always keep your home fresh and clean. Safety for your cat is most important. If a cat enters the device during cleaning process, the device will immediately stop cleaning and only continue to work after the cat has left. Through the app, you can connect with Igloo wherever you are, keep records, and even could receive notifications after your cat has used the litter box. Igloo is easy to use and makes life more convenient for you and for your cat. So please, support us and back us today.
We love our cats as a family, but no one likes to clean the litter box. Introducing Woof and Meow, the semi-auto litter box that is simple, safe, and comfortable for all our cats. It's also a clever cleaning assistant for cat parents. Look, Jimmy really loves it. I have been keeping cats for a long time, and I've tried many different types of litter boxes. Scooping with a traditional litter box can be inconvenient and smelly. Lifting the litter box filled with clumps is exhausting. Litter is scattered all over the floor, and dust is flying around everywhere after being emptied. So I started to use Woof and Meow. Safety is the first thing to be considered. Here is the security card slot that can fix the globe and prevent cats from getting trapped in it. The Woof and Meow's special sifting system allows you to separate the clumps from the clean litter by simply rotating the globe to the left. If you turn it to the right, you can avoid flying dust while emptying the cat litter. Oh, you also like it, so do I. Again, it is 100% safe because I control the entire cleaning process. The spacious open chamber gives Jimmy the comfort of doing his business. The large capacity waste drawer makes cleaning the litter box as easy as taking out the trash. For a one-cat household, the drawer is usually emptied twice a month. And the deodorization system keeps the air in my home fresh and clean. This smart litter box with a 4-part module design is ultra-light and easy to disassemble. Whether it's spot cleaning or deep cleaning, the simple modular design allows you to remove the components for easy cleaning. Moreover, the price is very affordable. Now that's a deal. For all these reasons, I can say that Woof and Meow is the best choice for easy and quick pet care.
What's the single worst thing about scooping your cat's litter box?
Scooping your cat's litter box.
That's right. Never scoop again with
Litter Robot. Litter Robot self-cleaning technology sifts through those dirty little clumps so you never have to scoop. And your feline friend always has a clean bed of litter.
Which means your cat won't have to step on poop to go poop.
Litter Robot arrives ready to use. Just add any brand of clumping litter, plug it in, and ignore it until your Litter Robot tells you it's full. Instead of scooping litter, you can spend your time doing what you really want.
Like extreme ironing.
Oh. Or doing a puzzle.
Or competitive puzzling.
Look, the point is you won't have to spend your precious time scooping poop from Fluffy's litter box.
Are you pregnant with a cat?
What?
No more making your family scoop while you ravage a bowl of pickle ice cream.